What's up, guys? Oh, hold on, guys. Sorry, it's really hot outside. What's up, guys? It's Tyler. I don't know what else to say. Here.
Are you making fun of me, man?
Try it.
Yo, what's up, guys? Oh, it's so hot. Oh, it is nicer. Oh, yo, it's a lot nicer. It feels really good. So we have photo sync on this piece of glass here, and dude.
So I don't hold it here.
Yo, that's crazy. That makes a huge difference. Welcome back to another EVS vlog. My name is Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. Yeah, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew. Let's just get started today. Awesome, guys. So we got the sides done in this car. Now we're doing the front windshield, and once we tint that, we'll be good to go. Ha! Just kidding. It is done. Can you guys tell? You can't. That's because photosync is so clear, but the heat rejection is legit though. And the BMW is moving along so nicely. Look at that satin guard effect. So this is the original paint from the car, but we have satin guard here and on the doors. Oh, look at this body line. Look how aggressive and just how much more accented it is with the satin matte translucent finish on there. It looks so mean. I'm excited to see how it looks on the entire car once we're done. The sides are coming along super nicely. Yep. Will, wait. Will? You're not Will? What is that? Are those crickets?
It's Will.
They're back here now. Oh God. Bro, what are you doing? You're not Will.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, we are. It looks like
really good on that paint.
it's gonna look like a frozen gray. So Dustin got done with the center console wrap yesterday, so now that it is finished, I figured I'd show you guys what it looks like. So this is satin black. This normally used to be gloss black, even the edges here. It's nice, it's clean. It has a more of a sophisticated look now. The gloss black was good. Unfortunately, you would get a lot of fingerprints and scratches and things like that. If this does get scratched, you can always peel right off and put a new layer on, and it's all good. It just looks so good with the white too. And we also wrapped this little piece here, just kind of keep things uniform.
On today's episode, Plain It Don't Work.
Deep Talks with EVS Motors.
You know there's science behind that. Science behind why you get a Woody in the morning? Mm-hmm. Why? What's the science? So you know how girls will wake up to pee in the middle of the night? Okay. It keeps us from waking up to pee in the middle of the night because it's harder to pee. So it stores? Well, I wouldn't say it stores, but that's just weird.
You're saying you get a Woody so you don't have to wake up in the middle of the night. So why do you have a Woody in the morning? So it's, I mean, you gotta scientifically explain to me why it's a...
I'm not a scientist. Thank you.
Ah! It closes the exit route.
A couple of vlogs ago, I did a Taptes wireless charger installation on a Model 3. I got quite a bit of emails actually asking about it. I was kind of surprised about just like what my thoughts are on it. So here's a review of it. Yeah, let's get into it. If you want to see the vlog of me actually installing it, I'll link it in the description down below for you. But I'm not going to go into the installation so much because you can watch that has it. This will be mainly just my impression of it after having used it in my Model 3 and just my thoughts on it. This is what the pad looks like. Boom! Just a normal black kind of rubber feel to it. It's nice. It has a little divider here, and what this does is it just kind of splits the phone so they don't hit each other, you know, while they're charging. The cool thing with having a wireless charger is, of course, not having cables, not having to plug in your phones, which is nice. Because if you have Model 3, you know this. It's not exactly easy having the little cable stick out the bottom base, especially at nighttime when you're trying to like get going and you gotta try to plug it in, you can't see it. So just be able to throw your phone on this is super convenient. And the great thing is too is I have an iPhone, but my friends have Androids, and I'm not gonna keep an Android cable around, you know. But this is cool because wireless charging is universal, so whatever phone you decide to throw on there, as long as it's a relatively new phone, it'll charge. So it's all good. Don't need to have cables. But it's really simple. All you need to do is just hook up the two USB cables on the back of this to your USB ports inside the Tesla with the splitters, and then it's as simple as literally just taking your phone, popping it on, and boom, you're charging. You'll know it's charging because it has a little orange light there, so you know it's good to go. And as I mentioned before, this is a two-sided charging pad. So you have the right side, and you also have the left side charging. So it doesn't matter which one you want to use. As far as performance goes, wireless charging is not that fast still compared to wired charging. So if you want to have the fastest charging, then I still recommend using a cable. With that being said, I still recommend this setup for a couple of reasons. One, if you have other people in your car that you're driving with and they have different phones, you don't have to carry different cables, and if they forget to bring theirs for whatever reason, you can just still pop your phone on here and they can all charge. Two, it's very convenient to just be able to just take your phone if you're going somewhere and you need to get a charge. When you get into your car, you can just pop it on, you're good to go. And then when you need to grab your phone, you can just grab your phone, do what you gotta do, text what you gotta text, and then just boom, put it back on and you're good to go. And the third reason why I recommend this also is because, as I mentioned earlier, this comes with 2 USB splitters. Ever since Tesla did the 9.0 software update, wireless charging pads don't always work correctly, but with the USB splitters you could override that and this will work just fine. Because you have USB splitters, you'll still retain 2 open USB ports and you can use that for anything, which means you can still have wired charging for the times you really need a faster charge. What I'm doing is I have this actually plugged into my Model 3, so that way my friends and whoever gets in the car, if they don't have their cable, they can just pop their phone on there, they can charge, and I could do the same, of course. But I also keep a wired cable for my iPhone in there as well, so in case I just need to have a faster charge because I just can't wait or whatever, I still have that. I'm not losing any USB ports or anything like that because of the splitters. Overall, this is a great little upgrade to have in your Model 3. If you want one, just hit us up. Let us know you're part of the EVS crew and we'll take care of you. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I am doing a giveaway on the Taptes wireless charger for the Model 3. So if you want one and you have a Model 3, this is all you gotta do, guys. Super simple. 1, you gotta leave a comment down below. 2, you gotta like the video. And 3, you have to be subscribed to our channel. And I will announce the winner in the next coming weeks. So if you want one, just let me know because you're part of the EVS crew. Dude.
What?
Did you see what you killed on the way here?
No. That happened during lunch.
Oh shit!
Did you just hear the noise that came out of my mouth? That's so funny.
Well!
Oh, not you again.
Well, your butt's hanging out again. Good. I might need to blur that or something. I don't really know.
I'm putting my headphones in. I can't hear you. What? What? It's loud.
Yeah, it's loud. I could hear it. I was here yesterday and you had like 2 Topo Chico bottles. You fucking have 4 more now. Bro, are you gonna throw these away? What are you doing? Are you just keeping them? Why? You have another one somewhere?
I mean, I can bring more.
Bro, let's do a tip of the day. Just a tip, just a tip, just a tip. With me.
It's a hard bristle brush for your tires. Sounds like I'm scratching on a DJ disc. Ready for the bass drop? Drop the bass. Boom. Done. Mind blowing.
We are now going to do a quick test drive with the Supra, see what it sounds like with the downpipe. Let's go, guys.
I never buy the new Supra, and it's not because I have a 103 credit score, it's just because it's not a Supra.
F you, internet.
Whoa. Yo, that sounds so good. That is freaking crazy, guys.
This car is like 35 years newer, and Toyota was able to keep the car the same size of a mid-80s sports car. That's pretty impressive.
That is... What now? No, no. Oh my God, guys, look what has arrived. The Novara Huracan. Dude.
What is this? Look. Match, bro.
What up, Doug?
What's up, Haywood?
Can I put you in the vlogs? You okay with that? You don't really say much. Okay. Right off the bat, obviously you can see this has the Vorstein Novara full kit. So that's a new front bumper, all carbon fiber. Even this area here that's painted, this is actually carbon fiber underneath. Fenders as well with the carbon fiber vents, and also this is carbon fiber too. It's just painted. Carbon fiber side skirts are also part of the kit, as well as the rear bumper. This is all carbon, and this is all carbon, and this wing here also is a part of the kit with these really cool little hood struts. That is it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew. We want to work on your car, guys, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Let us know what you want, what you need, and we'll take care of you because you're part of the EVS crew. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.